Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So in today's video I have a Dollar Tree haul. Obviously it's a huge one. I found some new things there that I haven't seen before and I wanted to share with you guys. Now before we start this video, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification button as well, so that way you get notified every time I upload a new video. I do upload 3 to 5 days a week. The reason why I say that is because I have a 6-month-old baby, so it's kind of unpredictable. And I just want to say this quickly, guys. If you guys hear things in the background, that means it's my baby girl. She makes a lot of cute baby sounds. So anyways, let's get right into it, guys, because I feel like I'm talking too much and you guys are gonna just get bored of the intro. So first thing I want to show you guys is this really beautiful kitchen towel. I saw Crafty Girl haul this and I just had to have it because I just think it's so pretty. It's like the perfect summer towel. And also I needed a summer towel, so it's really pretty. It's very soft. I love the way it feels. So I would recommend that if you guys see this, that you pick it up. Now they did have like plates and other things in this color. In this theme, but I only got this one. And then I also found this. Now this is probably nothing interesting to some of you, but I got this because I really needed it for my recipe book. And I found this super cute book. So sometimes they have like, with books they're kind of like a hit and miss. And this time I found this book. It was just literally right there. And I wasn't even planning on looking through the books, but I found this one. It says Lamb Says Boo. And guys, this is such a cute book. Like, look at this. I just love it. Look at this. It's so cute. I love it. And I have a thing for like farm animal books. It's very nostalgic, and yeah, I love it. And I do read to my baby girl, so I thought this would be a perfect addition. And if you guys are wondering why I'm not showing my face, because I usually do, it's because I am not feeling the greatest right now. So I hope you guys don't mind that. Like I said, I usually do show my face, but because of my current situation, I don't really feel good. I hope you guys understand. But just wanted to let you guys know, especially if you guys are new here, you know, I just wanted to throw that out there. Anyways, moving on, I found this. I have not seen this one before. Correct me if I'm wrong. But these are basically like gold letters. These are so pretty. This I'm planning on doing like a DIY. So this is so cute. Look at this. So cute. And then I also found these. These are the Crafter Square. They're basically for like planning. And I love to plan. What happened, baby? They're basically for like planning, and I personally am a planner freak, so this is how they look. This one you get 300. That's the same. Actually, how much do you get here? This one you get only 72, but obviously they are bigger. So, and moving on, I found these towels. Now, if you guys have never picked up towels from the Dollar Tree, I would advise you do, because they are good quality and I really like them. So you get a 2-pack. And I got, how many did I get? Let me see. 1, 2, 3. I got a 3-pack because I wanted to buy like brand new towels and everything. And I know that Dollar Tree has it, so I wanted to just get it there since I already was there. Then I found this one. I've been looking for this to organize like my hair ties and my clips and things like that. So I finally found it and I really like it. So really good for organizing. Next off, I found this container. I got 2 of them actually, and it's cool because it has a vented lid. So let me show you guys. So you can press it down and the hot air would ventilate out, and you can close it if you don't want that. These are pretty big. It says it's 12.15 cups. Like I said, this is really big. This is good for like storing your leftover food, or you know, if you make soup and you know, you want to put in the fridge. I like to use containers. And then I got a bunch of these, guys. Oh my gosh. So I'm starting to do my meal prep again. I haven't done that in a while, but it's just the only way I can actually function and eat healthy. I do meal prep. I don't know if you guys are like me, but that's how I am. And the cool thing is that these are Betty Crocker. So these are name brand. They are good quality, guys. I have purchased these before, but mine were actually getting old, so I actually threw away my old ones and I purchased these. Now, another thing that's so cool about this that I noticed is it comes in a 3-pack. Usually, they actually come in a 2-pack, and it does have this little thing that divides it right here, and I wanted those, but they didn't have it, which is fine. But when I see that they had 3, I picked them up right away. So I got 5 of these packs, 3 each inside of it. So I think these are a great bargain, guys. If you guys are planning to meal prep, I highly advise you buy some of these because it just helps you out a lot. I basically meal prep, and I freeze all my meal prep, and I have it ready for the day. Especially if you're a mom like me. I have 2 kids. I have a 6-month-old and a 14-year-old teen, and I'm always busy. There is not one day that I feel like I can just relax and not do anything. Even during this quarantine, I have to be on my feet, always have to do something. Hey, baby. So next off, I got this 4-pack of the microfiber washcloths, and these are actually really good for your face. So if you want to use these to wash your face, I would recommend this because these are very good and they're very soft. So they look like this. You get a 4-pack, like I said. I always repurchase these, so there's that. Moving on, I also got this 7-day pill organizer. So I have low thyroid, so I do take medicine for that. And I also take a lot of vitamins and other type of vitamins, pretty much. And I wanted to get this because whenever I go somewhere where I have to be gone for maybe a few days or over the weekend, I like to have this where I can have it all ready for me. And it's just much easier. I do have a bigger one like this that it basically holds for the whole month. That is here, and I use it only for when I'm home. And last but not least, I was actually very excited to find this. So it's measuring cups and spoons. There you go. And they are dishwasher safe, which I just realized that. So it looks like this. I really like these measuring cups because it has this right here. So if you are using them, you can easily pour and it won't spill, you know, all weird. You know how that happens sometimes. And then obviously it comes with the spoons, and I'm really happy about that. Yeah, baby. I'm really happy about that because I like to cook and bake a lot. So these are an essential for me. And I love white. So that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. Like I said, if you guys did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.